As a soldier.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
I stack change, I grip grain, I smoke sweets and bring pain. Niggas be jacking, but not my change. Come down stacking, crawling, mad niggas wanna know what's the deal with the dough. I came back, still got the flow. Looking for me, then you can ask your hoe. She with a dope young nigga named Shadow, aka still smoking sweets, chilling daily while choking beats. This goes out to all my G's, so roll it up, but hold the seeds. Speakers hitting loud and clear. I cheer grinding with no fear. A nigga trying to make it out the ghetto. So I'm praying Jesus come get me out of here. I know you niggas see me with my swag on swang. Until somebody cut 'em, I'ma let my nuts hang. I'ma let myself reign on the throne. East side, Harlingen, Texas is the home to real no fakers, tall money makers. And I'm trying to be big, ballin' like the Lakers. So how you wanna play us? Roll it, get rolled over. But please don't try to act like I ain't tell you.
As a soldier.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
I feel on top of the streets, inside the beats. Walk so hard, I hurt my feet. You went for the rep, I need something to eat. Man, I'm way too raw, I'm too cold for the heat. About to make a nightmare become a reality. I bet they couldn't understand my mentality. I don't ever back down, now they mad at me. Trying to claim me at fault like why it had to be. But y'all chose me, trying to pose a G. Ain't had no fashion thing supposedly. They hear a bitch made, but now I ain't no bitch. Better be the smallest motherfucker in this bitch. About to get paid so phenomenal, they trying to study me. From the dirty south, how y'all gon' muddy me? Man, I'm in it too deep. I'm fighting for the cause, calling out cowards and exposing flaws.
Exposing they flaws while I stand tall. And if they disrespecting, it's a punch in they jaw. Cause just like a tattoo on the back, fool, that boy there got my back, nigga, that's a fact, fool. If you come through disrespecting or tripping, we taking names. And if your name is on my paper, for sure I'm taking aim. It's paper what I'm chasing while I'm out here smoking some good. What side of town you say you from? I'm from the Wish a Nigga Woods.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
Rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking, rolling and smoking.
5% tense.
It's the reefer, top smoker in the streets, fogging up your whole hood, elevating my mind, merrily, heavenly, Mary Jane stain running through my mind like my cash flow. Gotta have it once in the morning, twice in the evening, double it before hitting the sheets. And you know I'm staying blown off that endo. If it ain't that good, keep it out my hood. Understood, I'm a top flight Mexicano coming out, looking for that killer. Break it down, roll it up, take a puff, doesn't matter what kind. Got the Phillies and the Swisher sweets, grape or that sour apple. What flavor would you like? Take a pick, inhale, exhale, stimulate your mind. To the east side beats, 1, 2, Logan with my crew. What it do? Player haters out there, show love one time, cause we speaking our mind. Tell me if we ain't wrecking on the flow. Here I go, Mr. Slim Wicked Mexicano.